Hello students, hope you are all good. Today we are going to learn about my body. Class 1, subject social study, topic is my body. This is my body. I have a head. I have a head. On my head there is hair. On my head there is hair. My face is round. My face is round. I have two eyes and a nose. I have two eyes and a nose. I have a mouth and two lips. I have white teeth and a pink tongue. I have two cheeks and a chin. I have two ears and I have a neck. This is the structure of body. Look at these. These are the parts of body. This one is ear, mouth, shoulder, finger, leg, toe, eye, nose, teeth, chest, arm, hand, knee, foot. These are the important points. This is my body. I have a head. On my head there is hair. My face is round. I have two eyes and a nose. I have a mouth and two lips. I have two ears. I have a neck. Okay, this is your activity number 1. Draw a face and add labels for the parts. You draw the parts of the face. Only parts of the face. And this is your home activity. Answer these questions. Question number 1. What parts of your body do you use for running? The answer is I use my feet and legs for running. Question number 2. What parts of your body do you use for eating? I use my mouth for eating. And the third one is what parts of your body do you use for writing? I use my hands for writing. Okay students, God bless you all. Stay home, stay safe.